Hi everyone, welcome back with the third Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, July the 21st, 2020. We will continue with the third Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku, and this Sudoku will be number 1197. Alright. And before I start, I will count the printed numbers. I think I know how many. The previous one was 26, a 2-star Sudoku. A 3 stars has 25. This one should be 24. Let me check. 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11, plus 3 is 14, plus 3 is 17. Plus 3 is 20, 22, 24. Yes, correct. So let's get started. Yeah. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 8 here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column, so in the second column, the column between, the only two places for the 8, here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so in the column between, the only two places for the 8, here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so in the middle row, the only two places for the 8, here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Alright. In this row, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 could be here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 4, here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Yeah, in this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then the 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this row. For the numbers 1 and 4, we have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only two places for the 5, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then 1, 2, 7. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these two boxes. There, 6, no 6 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 6 should be here. 2. Then 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 could be here or could be there. So we have a 1 in one of those two boxes in this column. We have a 1 in that column, so the middle column, the only two places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle, in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 boxes left now. The 2 and the 7 are missing. Same here. 2 and the 7. 2, 7 and the and the 5. Alright. Alright. Let's continue. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. The 1 is missing. I see here 1, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here or there. The 3 is missing. We see here 3, so no 3 in this box. So we have a pair, the 1 and the 3. So 1 number left in this row for the number 7. Three missing numbers now. The 2 is missing. The 4 is missing. We see here 4, no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 should be there. The 2 and the 9 are missing. 2 and the 9, let me mark them for you. 1 box left in this column for the number 2. Then 7, 7. Yeah. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So the row above these two boxes could be a 4. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in this column, the only two places for the 7 could be there. Ah, 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now I have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be the 7, so I have eliminated the 4 now. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So in the second row, the only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column, so in the second column, the column between, the only place for the 7 should be there. We have a pair, one number left in this column for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now I have a 1 here, so I eliminated the 1 here, so 1 box left for the 3. This should be the 1, alright. 1 number left in this column for the number 3, I believe, yes. 1 number left in the first row for the number 9. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 2 numbers left in the second row for the number 6 and 1. I cannot fill this yet. 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 3 and 9. 3 and 9. 3 and 9 cannot fill this yet. 2 and 9 in this row. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 9. Then let me see, 6. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 5, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 3 and 6. 3 and 6, we have a 6 here, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 6, here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 1 number left in the second row for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1 number left in this column for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the numbers 4 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Wow! Previous one was 12 minutes. This one 13 minutes. So you cannot tell 4 stars. Is it a 4 stars? I don't know. I don't think so. But you like this Sudoku? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this great video. I will continue in a minute with the 4th one, a binary puzzle. So see you later, and bye bye for now.